Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ramya. I know it's been very long since I sat down and filmed a makeup tutorial video. I'm gonna be creating this look right here using only very minimalist products. So if you like this look, then keep on watching it. So guys, as soon as I come out from the shower, I like to apply lip balm. I have said it in my previous videos too. I really don't want to skip on this step. So apply good SPF lip balm. So that's it. So guys, we all know that even if you're going for a heavy makeup or it's like a no makeup kind of look, you should always prep your skin. So but I don't want to load my skin with too many products in the summer, because in summer everything we put on our skin melts down very easily. So I'm gonna use very few steps. So in today's video, I'm not gonna be using any concealer or any foundation. For skin preparation, I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence sheet mask. I used to use this bottle. Both are same serums, but it will come in a sheet mask. This is in a bottle. I really love this, so I thought I should also give this a try. I have ordered a few sheet masks and I have used it and I fell in love with this. After applying this, I felt that you don't need to apply too many products on your skin. It really makes your skin very hydrating and also really moisturizes your skin. And I have given enough information about this in my previous video. I think it's February month favorites. If you didn't watch that video, please go give it a try. So for our skin preparation, I'm gonna be using this now. You need to keep this on your face for 15 minutes and that's it, and that's all you have to do. So it really transforms your skin in just 15 minutes. It will just hydrate your skin and smoothens your skin. In this, it is having salicylic acid and it is really good for your skin. This is the sheet mask. Make sure to leave it on your skin for at least 15 minutes, and after that pat on the remaining essence onto your skin. I think we are ready. That's it. Can you see at the glow the serum is giving to me? Can you? Like, look at this here. Just instantly gives hydration to your skin, moisturizes it well. And also my skin looks so plumpy. I really like that. So all the links of the products I've been using in this video will be in the description box below. Do check it out. So wait for some time before applying any creams. Just let it get absorbed into your skin completely. After that we can proceed with our next products. Guys, our first step is completed in skin prep. So I'm not gonna apply any moisturizers or any lotions now. The mask is completely good. Guys, our step number 2 in the skincare prep is applying sunscreen. So I'm using this L'Oreal Paris sunscreen. It is having SPF 50+. If you're looking for a budget-friendly sunscreen, I would highly suggest you this. In earlier, I used to use Neutrogena sunscreen. It was really good, and I also got my hands recently on this and it was just amazing. It doesn't leave any white cast on your skin and it really gets absorbed into your skin very easily. So now our skin prep is completed. Now we are going to makeup. So in makeup, I'm not using any concealer or a foundation. I'm just using a BB cream. Yeah, because as I said earlier, less the products, less the melting. That's how I maintain my makeup routine in summers. I'm gonna be using some Lakme BB cream. So I'm gonna gently dab it on my skin. It doesn't give coverage like foundations and concealers. It's just a BB cream, but it does really look natural on your skin. In this lash curler, I don't know which company is this. I'll make sure to mention it in the description box below. I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is the best part. Yeah, it's looking good. So yeah, our makeup is also completed. Now we are going to eye. So for eye, I'm not gonna do much. I'm just taking this color right here In this color, I'll make a liner. So for this, take any angled brush and wet this. That's it. That's all you have to do. And take whichever color you want from the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna line it. You don't have to buy any eyeliners, like colored eyeliners differently. Like so far my eyes are looking like this. Now I'm gonna be using kajal on my lower lash line. So I really like how my eye look is turning out, because without mascara look doesn't complete. I like it. I wanna keep it very simple and yet attractive. I like how this eyeliner turned out. Guys, for lipstick I'm gonna be using Maybelline New York in the shade 3 Brooklyn Bear. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Oh my god, it was such a good shade. I fell in love with this shade as soon as I apply on my lips, because I'm not sure when I bought this lipstick whether it suits my skin or not, but can you see it? Oh my god, can you see that color? Can you see it? I don't know why. I think it also goes well with this lipstick. It looks so natural. I really love this shade. So anyway, all the links will be in the description box below. Do check it. That's how I created this look. I just used very minimal products because it's summer. You don't want to layer your skin with too many products, because even though if you layer too many products, it will all melt down. So that's why I kept it very simple. So that's it guys. Let me zoom it. That's it guys. I hope you can see it well now. That's all I have done for this look. I hope